Next we're going to talk about negative exponents. A raised to the negative n, so our exponent is negative, is the reciprocal of a to the n. So a to the negative n is equal to 1 over a to the n. Or if you have 1 over a to the negative n, then it's equal to a to the n. What I want you to think about, I think, is an easier way to know what to do with your negative exponents. If your negative exponent is on the top of your fraction, which it is right here, remember we can always put this over 1, it's going to move to the bottom to become negative or to become positive. If you have a negative exponent in the bottom of your fraction in the denominator, you're going to move it up to the numerator to become positive. And that's how we're going to talk about this as we go through it. So if we take a look at example 2 here, letter A, we have 5 over 9 to the negative 1. Remember, both of these, the 5 and the 9, are being raised to the negative 1. We need to make them positive, so everything's going to switch or take the reciprocal. So 5/9 raised to the negative 1 is just 9 over 5, the reciprocal. If we take a look at letter B, we have negative 4 raised to the negative 4. So this has to come to the bottom, to the denominator, to become positive. So what's going to happen is we can rewrite this as 1 over negative 4 to the positive 4. Once we take this from the numerator and move it to the denominator, that exponent becomes positive. That's our goal, to always have positive exponents. Once it's here, then we can go ahead and evaluate. Negative 4 to the 4th power, you should know, because this negative is in parentheses and is being raised to an even power, that our answer should come out to be positive. And 4 to the 4th power is 256. So this becomes 1 over 256. Let's take a look at letter C. We have 9 over 2 raised to the negative 2. So we're going to do the reciprocal to make that positive. So what's going to happen is we end up with 2 to the second over 9 to the second. So we're taking this negative 2, it goes with both the 9 and the 2, and to make it positive, we're going to switch it around. We're going to move the 9 to the bottom and the 2 to the top. And then we can just evaluate. 2 to the second is 4, 9 to the second is 81. I'd like you to do a couple down here in 1 and 2, so go ahead and pause it now, unpause it when you're ready to check. If you did number 1 correctly, you should have gotten 125 over 512. And if you did number 2 correctly, you should have gotten negative 1 over 7,776. If you have the negative in the bottom, that's okay too. So if you had 1 over negative 7,776, same thing, either one's correct. If you didn't get these, let me know if you have any questions.